Coronation Street star Tina O'Brien has confessed she'll miss actor Todd Boyce if his character Stephen Reid is caught for his crimes. Since his return to Weatherfield last year, the Canadian businessman has claimed the lives of 3 people after killing Leo Tompkins, Joe Frost, Teddy Tompkins, Grant Bergen, and Rufus Donahue, Steve Mayu. He also set his sights on former fiancée Elaine Jones, Paula Wilcox, to get his hands on her life insurance money. However, when she realized he had been lying to her, she fled the couples. Although he is yet to be caught by the police, Coronation Street boss Ian McLeod confirmed fans of the ITV soap will see him get his comeuppance in the end. With Stephen's downfall imminent, actress Tina spoke to Express.co.uk and other media publications about how it will impact the Platt family. Gloria Hunniford deemed out of touch as she defends World Cup kiss when asked if they will all stick together when Stephen is eventually caught. The soap star admitted she hopes it'll bring them closer. She said, "I genuinely have no idea how this story ends, so it will be so interesting. I really hope, well, however it ends, I'll be obviously gutted if and when Todd leaves. Because I adore him and I love working with him. Don't miss." Coronation Street fans work out true identity of Ryan Connor's online client. Reaction: call the midwife star unrecognizable in unearthed glam snap. Image: BBC's John K. red-faced as he apologizes to guest over appearance. Remark: video: I do hope that it brings the Platts closer together. We're an award-winning family. I feel it would be great if it would ignite a thing of we need to be together and we need to work through this together. It looks as though Stephen's reign of terror could come to an end sooner than expected as Rufus's estranged wife Lou, Eleanor Howell, arrived in the cobbles. Realizing he had dropped his tie-pin at the scene of the crime when killing Rufus, he's left in horror when he notices Lou now has the crucial piece of evidence. As she believes her husband's death was suspicious, Stephen was adamant to retrieve the pin to distance himself from the crime scene. Successfully managing to steal it back, a mysterious figure witnessed the killer drop the pin down the drain. Although the person's identity remains unknown, could this person be the one to expose Stephen for all of his killings? Coronation Street continues Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays on ITV from 8 p.m.
Now